friends, this is Adya and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will tell you about a story, a moralful story in English, not in English, yes. In between there are Hindi, I am speaking Hindi in between that because most of the people does not understand for English. So let's continue and so let's start. So guys, this story is based on a language. You all know which language I am talking about. I'm talking about English. So let's start. So the story starts from a village. There are two children living in a village. So they both are intelligent, but one's name is Rahul and one's name is Geeta. So Geeta is a girl. Geeta loves to read and Geeta loves to speak English. And but one day Rahul is also interested in English, but Rahul is not fully dependent upon English. Means जो राहुल था वो इंग्लिश बोलना से पहले तो उसको बहुत इंटरेस्ट था, तो उसको इंग्लिश बोलना उसने बंद कर दिया. उसने इंग्लिश सीखना बंद कर दिया. उसने सोचा कि इंग्लिश क्यों बोलनी है जब हम इंडिया में रहते हैं. इंडिया में ही कोई बड़े होकर नौकरी कर लेंगे. मम्मी पापा उसके बहुत कहते हैं कि इंग्लिश सीख, नौकरी कर लेगा, कुछ अच्छी जॉब्स मिल जाएंगी, ऑक्यूपेशंस मिल जाएंगी, बिजनेसेस स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. लेकिन उसने तो इंडिया में ही रहना है, इसलिए फिर वो इंग्लिश नहीं सीखता था. उसने सोचा था कि मैंने तो करना क्या इंग्लिश सीख के. सो गाइस, इंग्लिश इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. And now we have to talk about Geeta. What about Geeta? Geeta is an interested girl. Geeta is an interested girl in English. Guys, Rahul say a lot of time to Geeta to remove this thought English is good. English is good, but Rahul think English is bad. And Rahul always suggested Geeta to avoid English learning and only speak Hindi and your mother tongue language, whatever. Marathi, etc. So guys, now Geeta is growing up and Geeta has a great business in foreign country, but Rahul has no business in India also. So guys, remember this thing: if you want to be a success, in your